If your phone battery draining too fast every single day, such that you fully charge your phone, but after just a few hours, the battery is already low, the problem might not be your battery itself. There are hidden Android settings silently draining your battery in the background right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you powerful Android settings that can help your battery last much longer. These settings are simple, safe, and can make a huge difference immediately. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last setting is one that many people completely ignore, but it is a very important setting to save battery life. Setting 1. Reduce screen brightness. This is the first and one of the biggest battery drainers on any Android phone. The brighter your screen is, the more battery your phone uses every second. Many people keep brightness too high all day long without realizing how much battery it consumes, and this causes your battery to consume much power to maintain the brightness of your screen. It is very safe to reduce brightness of your screen to save your battery. Now, to fix this, open Settings on your Android device, and here you will search for Display and Brightness. As you see here at a maximum display, there is a high power consumption, which can affect your battery life for a long time. Now, reduce your screen brightness to a comfortable level. You do not need maximum brightness all the time. Use it only when necessary. And here's another important thing, which can help you here. Turn on adaptive brightness. This allows your phone to automatically adjust brightness depending on your environment. As you observe here, after turning it on, it adjusts brightness itself depending on the environment. For example, outside, under sunlight, brightness increases. Inside a room, brightness reduces automatically. This helps save a lot of battery throughout the day. Setting 2. Turn off unused features. Now, this is the second setting. Many Android phones keep features running even when you are not using them. Features like Bluetooth, GPS location, NFC, Wi-Fi scanning, and hotspot. All these continue using battery in the background. For example, if Bluetooth is on all day searching for devices, your battery drains faster because it consumes more power. Same thing with GPS location. To reduce battery drain, swipe down your Quick Settings panel. Then turn off features you are not using, especially Bluetooth, location, and hotspot. Only turn them on when needed. This small habit can seriously improve your battery life and increase in your phone performance. Setting 3. Restrict background apps. Now, this is the third setting. Many apps continue running in the background even after you close them, and some apps consume a huge amount of battery silently. These apps can be social media apps, shopping apps, and some games are very common for this. To check this, open Settings on your Android device, as now you can see here, and you will search for Battery in Settings list. Then open Battery Usage, as now you can see here. Here you will see which apps are using the most battery. Now, open apps you rarely use. Here I will use Instagram as an example. Then choose Restrict Background Activity. This prevents apps from constantly running and consuming battery unnecessarily. Your phone may also feel smoother and faster after doing this. The last setting, enable battery saver mode. Now, let's talk about the final setting, which is battery saver mode. This is one of the easiest and most powerful battery saving features on Android. When enabled, your phone automatically reduces background activity, limits animations, and optimizes performance to save battery. To activate it, open Settings on your Android device and search for Battery. Then choose Power Saving Mode and turn on Power Saving Mode. Some phones also allow you to schedule it automatically. For example, you can make Battery Saver turn on automatically when your battery reaches 20%. This is very useful when traveling or when you don't have access to a charger. So, those were 4 important Android settings that can help your battery last much longer. Try these settings today and tell me if you notice any difference on your phone. And now I want you to comment below. Which setting do you think drains your battery the most? I really want to know. And if this video helped you, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Skill Nova Digital, share this video with your friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss new Android tips and smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.